welcome to the Traders Reality Crypto Projections channel, episode 28. Let's get this party started, guys. I mean, look, yet again, another projection plays out. Bitcoin making some fantastic moves to the upside. You can see she's broken out of the resistance one. If you were watching yesterday's projections video, we would have had a conversation about that. And of course, last night's stream did play a role in this move coming to fruition. Now, what we need to pay attention to, guys, is this. Bitcoin. It has come out from the Asian session as a straight move out of the zone, okay? We are anticipating a retrace. Now, this slow trend, true trend-like behavior is only going to give me inkling to believe that Bitcoin is going to look to hit the M5 zone. But we have the 40K mark in sight. A round number is very important, all right? And there is a bag of liquidity up in this zone right here. So what they're doing is they're getting their shorts filled at the highest possible point, and they're making a run for profit on the previous longs that they built whilst Bitcoin was dropping to the downside. Okay, so you can see they're taking out liquidity and now they're just moving up to the upside. If you were watching last night's stream, we just shortly after I left, this stopping volume candle came into play, and we had a conversation about that if you are a patron at all. But what is Bitcoin going to do next? Now, the fact that Bitcoin has taken the M4 zone, retraced, and now it's breaking out through it, I am anticipating a retrace. We've got these green candles right here that do need to be visited once again to reset the market makers' positions that they've been building to the upside. The short, to retrace back down to bounce off the 50 to move away from that point. Now, this is the 50 on the 15-minute time frame, which is the 1 hour 13 EMA. So if we flip over to that, you will see that we do need to bring price back down into this zone right here to normalize and bring price back into the fray. All right, to induce traders to get in again. All right, because there are a lot of guys that have missed out on this move to the upside. Okay. Now, 40K is a very important zone, guys. Once it hits the 40K mark, then it's going to be, in my opinion, all hell is going to break loose, and they're just going to fire through that zone, okay? Because every time they keep hitting it, look what happened the last time they hit it. They blasted through that zone, made a high, and then they pulled straight back. This attempt at the 40K is going to be a make or break for Bitcoin, okay? If she breaks through it, then we shall be seeing a beautiful ADR high of 41,494, and we should be tapping into liquidity right here. You can see the bigger liquidity is one there and up here as well. Massive projection zone that I'm waiting for Bitcoin to take, which is the 44,600 mark, which sits right at the 800 EMA right there. So if I move this for you, you'll be able to see it right there. That's the 800 EMA, which sits roughly at the 44 zone. Okay, so that is all happy days for us. Bitcoin is just performing beautifully. Let's go over to Ethereum and have a conversation about her. Beautiful. Look at that pattern play out. Watch yesterday's stream and yesterday's projection video. You'll understand what is going on in this zone. Okay, now Ethereum is looking to try and take the M4 zone. Likewise with Bitcoin, I'm anticipating a retrace back down. We've got the New York session coming into play, so that reversal may come into play where they will send price higher in the US Brinks box, and then they will make the move to the downside, stop hunt rise, drop, and then initiate the reversal from the New York low. Okay, projection zone still currently in play. I'm waiting for the 3K mark for Ethereum. Happy days if that comes through. Considering the RSI as well, we have got RSI divergence at the RSI. Okay, it's not coming outside the volatility band. I'm expecting the RSI to cross the market signal, or should I say tap it, and then hopefully bounce away from it and make another attempt at the RSI volatility band. Same with Bitcoin. We just bring that up for you. There's divergence right there, making highs, but doing it whilst closing lower. Sorry, closing at lower prices as it's rising. Forgive me. Okay, so you can see the divergence printing right there. But the RSI now is pointing upwards. So I'm hoping that she takes out the volatility band and effectively forms a shark fin at the high, which is consistent with the retrace that we're looking for. Okay, so wait for the retrace to happen outside of the Brinks box from the New York session, and then when New York makes its move, drops down, once it forms the low of the New York session, we should be seeing a retrace back up. The reason why we knew this was going to happen, because Bitcoin was currently in a W formation, rise out level 1, retrace, rise out level 2. We were anticipating a move to the upside, so we have got yet another move to the upside, which will be the level 3 on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, if you zoom out, you can consider the bigger pattern. All right, look at the size of this W, guys. We are slowly coming out of the bigger W formation. Yes, my lines look chaotic. Yes, they do, but there is a method to the madness, guys. Okay, every single one of these lines is important in the chart. You've got the inverted head and shoulders zone right here. Massive W formation, shifting out of the zone. In order for this W formation, the bigger W formation to lock, we need it to come out and take the 40K mark. This is why the 40K mark is so important. Mark my words, once the 40K gets broken, you are going to see an influx of market maker behavior. Okay? XRP, I've done several videos earlier this morning, and every time I bring up XRP, she just doesn't impress me, but she is performing technically very well. She's holding above the 50 EMA, so that's all I'm interested in. Projection zone is in and around the M5 point. We've got the 800 EMA, which from the start of Sunday this weekend, that's just gone, I was projecting 1.16, sorry, 1.116, no, 1.166 is what I'm looking for XRP. Okay, so have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Mad love to all of you who have been subscribing to the projections channel. I've got the Forex projections channel due to come out soon, so get yourself available over there as well. Okay, mad love to all of you. Please trade well and think safe, or the other way around. Trade safe, think well. Take care, guys. Peace.